This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by adding the card in the Wallet app so you can use it immediately. Open Wallet, tap the plus icon, and choose Apple Card, then sign in with your Apple ID. Because identity matters, verify with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This prevents fraud. Once done, make sure your billing address, phone, and the last four of your social security number match your account. That speeds approval and unlocks the card for purchases. You should use Apple Card with Apple Pay for contactless purchases to earn 2% daily cash on Apple Pay and 3% at eligible Apple sellers. Physical card gives 1%. Track spending in Wallet where categories and color-coded charts show where your money goes so you can adjust habits. Then schedule payments. Choose minimum, full monthly, or a custom amount. Paying more reduces interest and keeps your score healthy. Make sure to set reminders. You finish by managing settings because control keeps your account secure and useful. Open Wallet, tap Apple Card, and adjust notifications, spending limits, and security options. You can freeze the card instantly. For record keeping, request monthly statements or export transactions if you want CSV files for taxes. If a charge looks wrong, dispute it directly through the Wallet Messages chat, which creates a record and speeds resolution. If troubleshooting stalls, contacting Apple Card support in Wallet usually resolves billing or verification problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.